Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable automatic speaker on iPhone during call. So, if you have an incoming call on your iPhone, and then you want the call to be picked automatically and put on speaker, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, all you need to do when you want to enable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, locate and click on touch. Now, once you selected touch, scroll down the touch page, click on call audio routing. Now, once you selected call audio routing, go ahead and choose speaker under call audio routing. Then, once you choose speaker under audio routing, now, if you put a call through to your phone, then the phone will be picked and this phone is going to be put on speaker automatically. However, if you want to pick this phone on speaker by itself, just call me and turn on auto answer calls and then enable this. Now select how long you want this call to ring, let's say 4 seconds, hit the back button. Then if you have a call again on your iPhone, this call is going to be picked automatically and then it's going to be a speaker. You see that? You can see the speaker is turned on automatically. So that is basically how you can easily enable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.